gamit. Please, are you okay? I'm sorry. Hindi ko talaga sila sadya. Pumili kasi yung isa kong kasama.
Then next time, don't play on the sidewalk.
Sorry talaga. Ito.
High school. A place where every corner holds a memory. Every smile hides a secret. And every heartbeat tells a story. This is where my journey began. I am Zara, a girl with big dreams and a heart full of hope. Little did I know that the twists and turns of life would lead me to a love I never expected. Timothy, the popular guy with a smile that could light up the room. He was the one who made my heart race and my cheeks blushed with just a glance.
Kailangan magbihis. Sayang din naman ang forma. Hayaan na lang silang magkalaban na maligo sa'yo. Will you be my girlfriend?
Yes. Yes. Hello? Zaira! Si Timothy! Nasagsaan siya. Ha? What? Nasaan siya? How did it happen? Veronica! Veronica, answer me! Hindi ko alam kung paano, but he's in the hospital right now.
hindi.
Okay lang yan. Pwede ka naman sa iba eh.
Sa bagay, tama ka na naman.
Baka ay dyan lang sa tabi-tabi. Baka ay dyan lang sa tabi-tabi.
Tagal mo nang gumising. Wala na akong nawag-asa. Sana gumaling ka. Kaya yan, kaya. Kaya. Kita, nagpunta pa ako dito para sabihin na I want to break our relationships. It's been years and hindi ko na po kaya maghintay. Kaya, patawarin niyo po ako dito. Maraming salamat po, tita. Umuuna na po ako, tita.
As I slowly regained consciousness, the world around me felt unfamiliar. The sterile scent of the hospital room filled my senses. Fragments of memories flashed through my mind. The accident, the darkness, the void, and then a name echoed in my thoughts. Sympathy.
Zaira, do you know where Timothy is? Is he here? Nasaan siya?
Papa Street, Block 6.
Sige po.
Oy, Timothy, anong ibig sabihin nito? Kapit mo?
Oh, bakit?
Iniwan mo na si Zaira?
Oh, bakit?
Kumbira sa lahat ng babae si Veronica pa talaga?
Oh, bakit?
Be realistic! Hindi ka ba naawa sa friend mo? Nag-aantay siya sa wala.
Shut up. Ang kapal ka naman ka mo.
Huwag mong sisigawan si Veronica.
But she's not gonna wake up anytime soon.
Tama din naman siya.
Mami! May tao sa pinto! Zaira?
Zaira?
But she's not gonna wake up anytime soon.
Tumingin ka naman sa dinadaanan mo. Oo, ako na.
Nakita ko ano mangyari kanina. Kasal na si Veronica at Timothy. Matagal na naging sila nung na-coma ka. I'm sorry, Zaira. Hindi ko alam na yun pala ang mangyayari na ganoon pala ang intention at ikaw ang pinaplanuhan nila.
So understand. She's been lying to me. They both betrayed me.
As I look out at the world beyond, a new chapter unfolded before me. A chapter of healing, acceptance, and the daunting journey of letting go and starting anew.
Zaira? Sakit nun ah.
Ang kapal talaga ng mukha mo! You have no shame! You lying, backstabber, murderer!
Zaira, tama na! Sumusubra ka na!
Huwag mo akong hahawakan! Sa lahat ng tao, kayo ko talang dalawa. Ang bababoy nyo! Shut up, Zaira! You shut up! Nagawa mo talagang taasan yung boses mo after you almost killed me?
Ano?
Let me tell you, she's the one responsible for my accident. No wonder you always acted strange when Timothy was around. No wonder you told me that lie on the call. No wonder you planned this whole master plan crap of yours. No wonder you wanted to steal him from me. Because you're jealous. You're jealous of me because you know that I'm better than you'll ever be.
I hate to bring bad news, but he's been having illusions, episodes, hallucinations, and it's getting worse and worse each year. He's being treated, but it's gonna take a long time. You know when it will end, or if it ever will. We're doing our best we can. We're sorry.